In the past few days, a meme coin called Anthem was created and it exploded to over $150 million. The interesting thing is some wallets actually bought and made crazy amount of money from this meme coin. Just like this wallet here that bought with $3,000 and he has an unrealized profit of $317,000. And this wallet here who bought with $2,000 and he has made close to $500,000 just by holding the Anthem meme coin. So in this video, I'm going to do a deep dive into the Anthem meme coins and show you how I can track the wallets that bought in very early and has made insane amount of money from this meme coin. And I'll show you how I can do further research with those wallets. And finally, some of you will be asking, should you buy the Anthem meme coin? Well, all of this I'm going to talk about in this video. So before we get started, make sure to like this video right now and subscribe to this channel if you've not. And let's get started. So let me start this video about how you can track this wallet. There are a couple of websites you can use to track this wallet. Example is DevScreener. Another one is GMGN. There are a lot of them you can actually use, but let's use GMGN and I'll come back to show you how to use DevScreener. So if you go to DevScreener, you search for the coin or you paste the contract address here and it's going to open up like this. All you're going to do is to simply come over here and click on top traders. And I'm just going to make this full so that you see it very clearly. Now, what you're going to see is the first wallet here bought $130,000 at $11 million market cap. And so far, he has sold $24,000. He's still holding $1.4 million. So this is the first wallet. Second one here bought with $2,000 at $163,000 market cap. And he has sold $1.2 million. He's still holding $71,000. The next one here, $149,000, he bought at $9 million. You can see how much he has sold. So the people that are currently impressing me is this wallet here who bought with $2,000 and has sold $1.2 million. That's actually insane. Wow, and he's still holding $71,000. So what I can simply do is to copy his wallet. If I click, so just click on it and you're going to copy his wallet right away. And you can simply go to source scan and paste the wallet right there. And boom, you can see every single thing. He currently has around $16,000 in his wallet. And he has 158 token worth $77,000. The highest is Anthem, which is $71,000. And you can check for his portfolio to see what he's holding. So he's holding Anthem, that's the Black Bull, that's the main coin, $71,000, and you can see other coins that he's holding. All right, so we've been able to sit down. Let's go over and check another person. Another impressive wallet is this guy here that bought $7,000 at 556k, and he has been able to sell $243,000 and still holding $420,000. I can copy his wallet, go to SoScan and check more details about the wallet. So over here you can see he's holding Solana of $249,000. His token is currently worth, you can see he has the Anthem token $178,000 and other tokens right here. So this is basically how you can use GMGN to actually track this wallet. But I can show you, for those that actually use DevScreener, you can actually do that with top traders over here too. And you would basically see the person that bought and how much he sold. Example is this guy here bought with $7,000 and you can see he has sold $250,000 and he's still holding $176,000. Sometimes the mistake some persons make is, you can see right here he bought with $9,000, which gave him 122,000 tokens, but he has sold $500,000. But what the token is sold is 8.3 million tokens. So it tells you that this particular person here is not the right person to track because he obviously bought from other wallets, and that is he sent those tokens from other wallets to be able to accommodate to get up to 8.3 million tokens before he sold. So whenever you're using DevScreener, make sure the amount of tokens here is equivalent to the amount he sold. That's the only correct way to get it. Another way is, if you want to find out people that were very, very early into buying this meme coin, you can use the transaction section here and click on this date over here. Select the date this token was created. So this token was created on the 16th. So you come over here and you set this on, I'm going to set this on the 16th. And this second one, I'm going to set it on 17th. So we are tracking the first group of people that bought this token. And what can you see? This was the very first person that bought with $13. You can track his wallet. So once you do that, you can scroll down and this is going to give you the list of people that bought this coin very, very early. What you do is you can click on their wallet and basically go to SoScan and do your further tracking and the rest of that. And If you can use this method to find several good wallets. I mean, if you come over here, you can research what the person is holding, maybe what he has actually bought recently. You're going to see that from activities. Once you click on it, you can see he just bought, okay, he bought this 2 days ago, 9.9 Solana worth of banks, and he hasn't sold yet. So you obviously will be able to track every single thing he's buying from you. Although, I mean, there's GMGN allows you to track it. Axiom allows you to track their wallet instantly. You get notification when they buy any stuff and the rest of that. So it's very, very easy. I talked about that in my previous video. If you want to learn that, then make sure to check out my previous video. I might leave some of the link in the description. Now let's go over to the second part of this video, which is why is this Anthem token doing well? Well, the first reason is from the holder section. You can see right here, there are around 72,000 holders, right? But what you will notice is there's one specific wallet that is holding 58% of the token, which is worth $80 million. So how it happened was, when this token was created, they sent, I think, 60 or 80% of the supply to Anthem's wallet. And now, for some of you that don't know Anthem is a quite popular person on Twitter, right? Now, the fact that he's holding 60 to 70 or 80% of the supply means that you just need little amount of money to pump the token. And that is why it's actually going really, really high within the past few days. Now, one thing he has actually been doing is to distribute some of those tokens to people as airdrop, because he has been tagging the Pump.Fund team to actually conduct an airdrop, because it's been long overdue where we used the platform. They announced that they were going to do airdrops, but they never did airdrop, and then he has been disturbing them to do airdrop. So because they've not done it, he decided to run this token, and all of the fees he's getting and the supply he was sent, he has actually started distributing them to people. And this is the brain behind the Anthem token. So let's find out how many persons that have received this airdrop from him. It's simple. If you want to get that, just copy the contract address of this token, go to SoScan, paste it, and go to the holders over here and select Anthem. Now you want to see, before I continue, I'm going to copy his wallet and click on transfer. Then from this transfer section, I'm going to select this and paste his wallet over here. So we're only dealing with the people he sent tokens to, and I can come over to the filter, select SPL and hide spam, and if I expand this by 100, I would be able to see, you can see the list of people he sent tokens. So over here was sending 420. Okay, welcome to the trenches TGR. So I think he was dropping TGR. For you to find out the token, so click on token right here and get Anthem's token address. Come over here and paste it. Then click on filter. You're only going to see the people he sent tokens to. If you can see right here, he sent 10,000 Anthem to this wallet, 10,000, 23,000. So you would see a list of all the people he has sent tokens to. Finally, you can click on visualize and switch this to daily, and you're going to see the list of persons. So here he did over 695 transfers, which he sent out to people, which was equivalent to $1.5 million. Here he sent out $524,000. So you can see how easy it is to actually get this data by yourself on chain. It's not very, very difficult. So this is all of it about this video. You can take the wallet that you've been able to track and then store it somewhere, possibly where you trade, so that you can monitor the wallet in cases where they're able to buy some tokens very early. You can maybe get in with them, but it's not a financial advice. Make sure to do more due diligence if you want to do that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.